Funnel hackers, Friday night. Oh my god, Friday night, still here, working on these funnels, but the second badge, I'm just about ready to submit. Awesome. And I think we need something in the background. Let's got little loop deck, that's what's in the corner there. That's what I'm using to help copy paste, do things quicker. And it's really cool. So, bit of Ghost Dog. Oh, absolutely love this movie. It's just brilliant. Let's just clip that down a bit. Oh, let's have a look. Do I need to restart that capture? Let's have a look. Hey, getting used to OBS as well. It's interesting. Wow, all the big learning curve. So, yay, look at this. I'm going to be ready soon to send it off. So, I wanted to show what I've been doing and using this little loop deck. And I just need to see if that's coming into the picture or not. Oh yeah, it will be. When I pop it on there in good old OBS. Let's just minimize it a little. So, I just thought, seeing as one talking and me talking and everything, it might be a bit too much. So, let's have a look and see if I can just see my screen and where things are moving and if they are working correctly. Just so I can kind of show this loop deck a bit clearer. And yes, that's how I move it. I don't just move it, I have to move it like that. Oh my days, do you know what? It's been a long couple of days. So let's do it this way then. Hide that, move loop deck there just so you can see it. Absolutely love this little device now, and I'm just wondering if it's going to show that, but there's a little animation going on there. It might be picking it up, it might not, I don't know. So all these buttons, you can make them into your own, you know, design. All these have been designed by myself, and then working out getting gifts off of places and everything else. And yeah, little putty cat in the corner down there, and yeah, just a bit of fun. But also the big thing was, I've loved it when I've watched webinars where they've got, you know, it ain't just a PowerPoint, they've got kind of cool stuff, they've got overlays like what I have over here with this V10 Studios. So if I were to move this loop deck down, let me just show you, you'll see that I've got them transparent backgrounds, and same with this. That's interesting. Let me just fix that while I recall that actually. Ta-da! So it's all layered, and you can see that V10 Studios building funnels, little putty cats behind. I've got this working there, keeping it behind. So little stuff like this, but it's taken a lot of learning. It's taken probably a week of like tweaking, you know, and then using Adobe Illustrator, using learning about OBS, learning about Zoom, you know, just learning about so many different aspects. And I'd be curious to know, is this the same for everyone who's kind of entrepreneur and just trying to get it going? And what I've loved about this, so listening to a call with Greg on funnel builders and so on, and it was just ace. It was so cool. So that is hire a funnel builder. So anyway, so these buttons, download now, it will open up let's just show it on this screen. I just want to double check and make sure, you know, need a bigger monitor or 2 or 3 monitors just so you can just glance at one and go, yeah, that's all working fine, it's recording and we're seeing things. And why not have a little bit of music in the background? Oh, I like this sustain actually. I was listening to it earlier on repeat. So a bit dark and mysterious. I hope it's coming through. Right, looks like it is. Wow, where'd you look? You know, I've got a camera there, I've got a camera here, which is a time-lapsing. I've got my lighting behind there, so that's why I've got this bit of a glow going on. Need more of that, love that. Got my little Dragon Ball characters. It's Friday night, shouldn't I be out at the pub? Yeah, not really. I don't drink. I go out, I drink tea or coffee. Is that so random or what? But yeah, whatever, right? My main tasks are learning all this kind of stuff, and let's get some specialism behind us, and some just good stuff to learn, and then get some sales funnels up. Once them funnels are up, all you gotta do is pay for advertising, or not. You know, there are other methods, doing it free and so on. So we will see. Let's just go through this then. So it looks like we have, what have I got on there? I've got application. I wonder. All right. Just curious as to why I can see one particular folder. Oh, okay. Right, media encoder. We can quit that. Application, get your badge. Bye. That is interesting. Okay, so what I need to do is probably capture screen. And when it does, turn the sound off. We've got infinity going on. Oh yes, hide OBS, that's it. Show cursor, hide OBS. Okay. And I think I've got it now. Yay, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. So what you had to flash up earlier there was OBS. You got to go into properties to hide it. But then you can also choose your mouse to show your mouse. How do you get your little mouse with that little icon? Well, it's this app, Hypercursor app on the Apple Store. Free. And yeah, there you go. That's what that is. The only reason I'm saying this is because there's so many times when I see some things happen with certain with people's web and so on, and you're like, oh man, how have they done that? That's really cool. So let's just what I want to do, yep, I want to minimize this for a bit. Minimize. Oh yeah, so minimize. I'll do. Let's get that out of there. I'm just organizing this space, but kind of organizing it on here. So let's just see. Interesting. Right, so we need that down. That's it. We've got loop deck on top. We've got this working behind. So if I just pull that in a little bit, that's not too bad. And if we just minimize that, minimize these, and I think we're kind of there now. Yay! Wow. Just make, hey, I tell you something. Oh my god, this is like real multitasking, multi-thinking. In one way, it's great if you got the ADHD-ness, but it's easy to get overwhelmed until you. What I've found were I was like, okay, I want to learn this one thing, how to do this. And let's take this for instance, the overlay, the picture, the camera, but also creating a mask. So we've got a camera, just a normal camera feed, and then I've got a mask over it, and the mask is in black. So if you imagine, I'm going to do some of these afterwards, so I'll do some templates of masks. I saw one really cool one where we're all just grungy and scratched, and the edges looked ace. It looked so cool. And I think what would be really cool after that is to also then put shadow effects and put stroke effects around the edges. So like this webcam here, this orange gear, that's kind of a stroke by itself, and then I've put a shadow underneath it, and that's it. Yeah. And then you've got your camera, your mask, and your overlay on top. So it's pretty cool once you get your head round it and see how it works. It's funny how we can kind of obsess over something and just work at it until we get it. And I've been doing all that and not doing my badges, but it's brought it back to using the loop deck. So what I wanted to film was me. That's it. I just want to hide something here. Right. Was film actually doing, doing this. So let's crack on and let's just get. So this is get access. We put an email in. Get access now. And that has dropped in the email. So if we download now, it goes to whatever download you're going to offer. Let's see. Now, I was just curious where this other thing came from. Where this came from. Hire a funnel builder. Okay, become a funnel builder, hire a funnel builder. That's really nice. Use similar little icons, but that looks really clean. And that's what I like about that. And also this, so we've got some other effects going on there. You've got the shadow and then it comes off. Now, what I've been doing with my buttons is I have been tweaking that. So, submit form. Let's just have a look. So we've got submit form there. We've got submit form here. Just going through these. Bit of D&B Photech. And yeah, loving it. Love it. Vanishing. It's from an album of Photechs. So we've got them there. That's all looking quite good. Now, got the mobile side to do actually. So let's just have a look. Has that changed on here? Right, so that's an interesting one. It's one thing I need to kind of look into. Okay. That's why. Right. So I'm pressing the buttons, but I might as well keep it on there and then just explain what I'm pressing at each time, kind of thing. I think that might be a good idea. Okay, is that gone? And let's have a look. Let me just minimize it down a little. Right, we'll minimize that there. That's better. No, it isn't. I don't want it to disappear. Right, there we go. And yeah, we're back. All right. Wow, it's not easy in this, everybody, but it's worth it. It's worth doing. It's so worth doing. So let's see if I can multitask now and do these. So we've got that working. That is saved. Now we need. Let's have a look and see what pop-up shows. All right, so no pop-up shows. Do I need to create a form? Let's have a look. Can we go live with this and just see a preview of it live? Okay, so we'll go to live page. This is the live. Thank you for signing up. That's it. So that button now, I could do with a little shadow on there, couldn't I? Like the highlight. So this button, success, but it needs to go to a download page. Right. So it needs to go here. So what we need to do is download this. Let's just do a download now. If it's going to work here. Right, cool. And FBCC image. Right, lead magnet. Okay, we'll just replace, that's fine. Do you know what? That is uploaded onto Amazon servers, so let's just see. So, download. So, we need to change that to. Now, we can go to that. I just wonder. Let's have a quick look. Close pop-up, open pop-up, show or hide, scroll to one click. Okay, go to. Now this is where you'd. Oh, do you know what? Let's just try this. Let's try and have that. Okay. So I need to go onto into here. Now I need to go into where all my media is. Now, this for one thing. Do you have to just go into? Yeah, that's one thing I need to find out about. Where is the right? Okay, thank you, Paige. So when we create images, we've got files there. So let's just. It's an interesting one. I'm just going to add an element here. Right, settings. So we've got image URL, upload, dynamic, source to upload. Have we got a download? link or action URL. Open submit form. Oh, okay, so that's for image settings. Interesting. That's something I need to know. Do we just host it? So all we'll have to do is just delete that. So the link goes to download now, button action, go to, and let's just paste. That's fine. Okay. And I think that's it. Alright. Hey, this is all learning on the fly. Default button, let's do that shadow, shall we? Why not? Border, subtext, shadow, no, corner, shadow. Ew. Outset. Okay, outset, yeah. Let's have a look. Let's get this transparency actually. Let's just get this kind of colour in. Want it very faded. Right. But we want the direction. Now a 45-degree angle would be nice. So just kind of tweaking around with this. Spread. Okay. Blur. What a band. Blur. Okay, we've got a slight thing there. So, oh, that's a shame with the shadow though. I tell you, I would like an angle. So you can do 45 degrees. I mean, that's not too bad. Maybe a little bit further down kind of thing. And a little in. So that's at 12, 13, 14, yeah, 14 pixels. So, yeah, let's leave it at that just for now, hey? So when we go over it, actually, so there is, right, so there's the hover. Okay, so shadow's staying there. I suppose on hover, we can even, let's just see, make it less transparent, so yeah, let's just make it less transparent. And then also on pressed. Okay, and the shadow, I'm just wondering if it does change this. And we pull in. Pull in the blur. Let's make it a little obvious. I'm just going to pull that in a little bit more. Hey, it's not exactly what I'm envisioning, but it's not too bad. Let's just do that a bit. And try and pull that up a little. There. I think we're done there. Right. Do you know, you kind of get obsessed with certain things. So that should now just open up that page. What I need to know is, can we do it so as it's just like, you click it, it downloads. Interesting. There's a way to do it. Let's just see. Let's do the same thing with this one. Now this is a cool tune. There we go. Now, that's an interesting point. Opening a new window. So as people stay on your page or your funnel. So I better do the same for that. That's fine. Save that. Alright, we're ready to test that, I think. Let's have a look. Go to live page. And ta-da, we've got a bit of a shadow there. A little shadow there as well. It's a bit too orangey. I need to tone it down a little, but still, it's not so bad. Wicked! It works, everyone. Boom! And then people can download it from there. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Let's try this one. Fail. Let's go back. So that was, yes, I know what's happened there. Right, let's just go back into it. Whoops. Come on, little button. Right, that should do it this time. Save that. Go back onto it. Go to live page. Result. So yeah, it's I've got some issue with copy pasting in some aspects on my browser. Right, now the harder part, kind of. Let's just compare. So here's my design. There's this one. Ta-da! Right. Oh, yeah, let's do something fun. Let's press that button. Now that button is this. And it's showing me what it's like on a MacBook Pro, but I want to see instead. There we go. Look at that, little people. So this is what it looks like on a mobile. So not too bad though. Only a few stuff to change. And that's what it looks like on a MacBook. Nice. Now, those badges would be much nicer being kind of above the fold, everybody. But then what do you put below the fold? Thank you for signing up. Download now. Let's have a look. Okay. Why does it do that? Let's have a look. Reload. Alright, somewhat weird there. Maybe it's because I'm in an emulator. Yeah, it's doing the same on that one. Interesting. Okay, don't matter. But this app is just beautiful, isn't it? You know, you can see straight away where you need to tweak. So, too much space in there. And if we go on to the Greg's and Catherine's actual, that's it. Right, so if we go on to this, press the magic button. Ta-da! Right, we can see on here, you got 2 lines, a bit more of a gap there. 2 lines, paragraph, button. Oh, they failed there for iPhone, but that's a universal fitting. Let's just go out of this. Yeah, they have actually. They failed on that button, guys. Anyway, so we know where we what we need to kind of aim for. So let's just go back on here and save it. Oh, okay. Solve errors. Now, do you notice this button up here? So it's mentioning a warning. Oh, valid custom URL. Which one? Oh yeah, there's no URL there. Why has that happened? Let's try it again. Valid. Oh, you know what? I could just load the file to my WordPress site. So yeah, we'll see anyway. Open a new window. Right, let's just same with this one. Just paste that. So it automatically takes out the HTTPS. That's fine. Let's just save. See what it shows there. Well, that seems fine. Right, so if we now go onto the mobile version, just have a glance there. So what I want to do is also open up. So I just need to press that button. It'll take it away. Perfect. Let's just open this up and shrink it right down. And then put my other one kind of side by side. Just going to minimize that one for now. So that's fine. And then, yeah, right. So I need to shrink. No, that's, oh no, increase the size of the browser. Ideally, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go on to that. Let's look at it that way. That's the easiest way. So we've got an idea now of what we need to tackle, and so we are in mobile. That's cool. So how can I do this? So one thing which doesn't kind of work, I don't think, is because it's like having an app running in an emulator, and it doesn't kind of work. So for the actual font sizing and things, so it's not a problem. Let's just go. We've got Roboto, semi-bold. Let's change that. Pixels. That's it. So we've got that. That's fine. Actually, could do with a bit of line changing. Come on. So you can click that little gear if you're having trouble getting it. So let's just pull that up a little. That's fine. And this, we can lower it down. just double checking we're on mobile only. So, well, we're on the mobile, so I'm on the mobile. And let's do some padding. There we go. So we've got below. That's fine. Let's take this and drop this down a bit. Just getting a glance there. That's looking all right, is that? So we need lead to be here, like it is there. So all we need to do, I think really, maybe. So if we do the padding, there we go. I think really we need to increase the font size on the mobile. Yeah. And if we do increase that, okay, let's try that. Just increase it little by little and just see. That's it. There we go. That's looking all right. I'm happy with that. And also this distance looks fine. So go down here, download the checklist now. So that's needs to be lifted up. There we go. Let's increase the size on these. Okay, and let's, we've got font size, what we need. Just lift it up a bit. Oh, come on. Perfect. Right, but I'm looking at this and I'm kind of happy with that. However, let's maybe increase the font size a little. Yeah, and that's got a bit of a nicer kind of flow to it, but if we... That's it. So I'm wanting kind of a V, because the kind of V draws your eye down to download now. Yeah, and we've got it same as that. So what we could do, line height, just reduce that a little. Now, what I'm going to do then is also, let's just copy this and paste that in there. Right. And if I increase this, it'll go to that. Now, what we can do is go into font, and we can just get an idea of 18 pixels, right? So that's what I was wanting to know, and I thought it'll be about 18. It'll be about that region. So if we knock that down to 18, that's fine. It is some roboto regular. That's okay. You know. Oh yeah, that's why. So that's fine. What I'd like is that in bold. Let's just, so as your eye goes, free checklist, download. Alright, let's have squeeze as well, why not? Squeeze it! Okay! Hey, making progress. This will be submitted today. Good grief, it's been all day I've been on this, I tell you. It's been crazy. So, if you're just having a look to see if that squishes. And let's have a look at font. Roboto 26. Let's have a look. Where are you, Roboto? Roboto? I hope all this is getting recorded anyway. So, font size 30. Okay, let's take it down to 26. That's fine. Now, this, they've got a lot of space there. I think actually, let's make that bold. Right, that's cool. Let's just lift it up a bit. Oh, interesting. So you see what's happening with the box there? So I'm just going to undo that. So what I'm making a mistake of there is I need to actually lift the row. There we go. And then all the text stays correct inside. So little V10 Studios tip. Do you know, I could just eat some food now actually. Right. But we are almost there. Now, that's what we do need. We need to bring that margin in. Well, bring the padding in. Oh, maybe not bring that padding in. Width, that's it. Oh, right, now, this is the warning sign. Just seen it. I wonder though, I am on mobile. Okay, let's just do it. Is it not? No, it's not. Happy. I'm just going to undo that. Interesting. Well, it seems to be fine there. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave it. Right. And have we got the rest balanced out? Yep. Oh, that's why. So, I wondered with the click here to become a certified funnel builder, could hardly see it. Interesting. So, I'm going to put my own little tweak on this. And now what I also do need is I need another section underneath here, because that was the universal section was this. I wonder, because I thought I saved one which was, yeah, I don't think it's gonna let me do it. Okay, never mind. Let's just make it happen. Add a section, blank, one column. Do you know what? It took me ages. I got involved with ClickFunnels years and years and years ago and just didn't continue with it because I was finding like, well, how does this move here? Why does that move there? But now I'm getting a feel for it. It's like, oh yeah, click here. You've got to try and change your mindset and just try and just think, okay, got a little issue, stuck on something, don't worry about it. Just work at it, just keep looking at it and go, okay, can we tweak it? Universe agrees with me there. I just heard a horn outside. So just keep asking yourself, like, can I tweak it some way? Can I And like Tony Robbins says, it's like I've got to do this or that, but instead of saying that to yourself, say, okay, here's my list. All right, how can I do this and enjoy the process? And thus the music is on, Ghost Dog is on, or wherever, and it's just like, okay, little blocks, don't worry about it, keep working on it. So what I would like to do, I'm going to do a little tweak here, my own little tweaks. So let's just go on here, let's get the your logo here, image. Is it your brand logo? Width. Centered. You see, if we were gonna click it there, go there or there, but no, we're centered. It isn't centered though, is it? No. Right. So we've got a section, we've got our role settings. Right, let's try this. Interesting one is this. Now how can I move that? Fill. Okay. Yeah, this is the override. So the image itself isn't balanced, I don't think. But saying that, they've got it centered here. Is that right? Let's use the little ruler and have a look. Let's see. 171. 1, 2, 3, and it isn't, is it? 104. Thought so. Anyway, so when you've got the image, if you've got a transparent image, when you create an image in Adobe or something, you've got to trim it right down to each edge. And then when you do upload it into here, for instance, it will be center. So sometimes if you've got an image and then there's a bit extra on the end, that's where it's happening by the look of it. But it would have been nice to know. Where's that gone? Oh, fear factory. Let's just minimize that. Right, keep saving your work. I'm learning that one. Failed a few times earlier. So what we're going to do is, under this, we will put sub-headline. Okay, turn the ruler off. Come on, off. Alright, click here to become a funnel builder. So what we're going to do is going to use some font. Click, whoops, here. Right. Let's see about a different font. Wrong button. Oh man, where did it all just go? What's going on? Come on. Right. So let's just go for that. Right. We want like a squiggly hand-drawn one. Rock salt, light rock salt. Yay, there we go, that's what we're after. I'm gonna dull it down a bit. Let's just see, not that, maybe this, but just a little less transparency. And what else I would like to do, can I rotate this? Let's put an icon after. Let's have a look for an arrow. Oops. Now I want a hand-drawn arrow. Now I do have a load elsewhere, but I just wanted to have a look on here. So it looks like quick tip, hand-drawn arrow. PNG, but don't kind of matter anyway. Yay, look at these. Let's just have a look. Images. What kind of works? Just want something kind of quickish. Don't want red. Oh, that's alright, isn't it? Right. Oh, let's have a look. Let's visit. Okay, so attribution. I'll try something else. I've got a graphics tablet in front of me. Why don't I just draw it? I'll draw one later. Alright, yeah. And draw PNG free. There we go. Free ping. Oh, let's have a look at these. Let's open that. Unzip. Oh, JPEG, EPS. Okay, open with Adobe Illustrator. Let's just open Adobe and just have a look. This is another program to learn and go through. I've learned quite a reasonable amount, but I still need more. Let's just have a look. Right, so, hey, there we go. Just drag that across. Yeah, let's have that one. That's it. So, come on. I'm just gonna copy that. Oh, new. Wow. Right. Let's change colour from black to, yeah, some, oh, actually, alright, let's have it on this. Hey, there we go. Right. Can I just export that? Yes, that's looking good. Arrow, orange. Did you all watch Arrow before? Oh, what a cool series that was. It's a few years back now. Right, just check my file path. Ah, yes, not OBS. Come on, images, FBC, image. I don't know why it does that. To change that to columns. Oh, you pig, I didn't want JPEG. I want PNG. Changing this again. Columns. I just like it better when it's in there. So that's fine. Let's minimize. Now I've just realized, might not have been able to see what we're doing there, but never mind. So let's upload. Actually, let's not upload yet. Let's put an image in. And upload this picture of an arrow. Now it would be nice if we had a proper file organized structure in the background there, guys, for your images and everything. Just a thought. Just an heads up. There we go. Oh, that's the JPEG. Now, if you put JPEG in, you can have a white background. If you put PNG in, if it's been saved as transparent, you have this transparent background. Ta-da! Look at that. Settings. Now, can I scale it down? And can I? That's like a little happy face, isn't it? Now, lazy loading on or something, quality 80. Oh, this is just one little thing, guys, is being able to turn these around. So there may be a way. Okay. Let's just see contain. Oh, what a shame. I'm just trying to imagine. Yeah, there's no other things to change this. That's a shame. So, in one way though, it means kind of look at that and I'm wanting it to kind of to adjust. So, let's go back onto here and just turn it that way. That's cool. Right, export that. Oh, wait up. It's not. Why is it not? Oh, yeah, that's changed it. Okay. Let's just do that. Replace. Try that again. And let's just go into this, upload it. Let's just have a look and see if we've got it actually rotated now. Oh, you little pig, why are you not showing yet? Let's just try that. Refresh it. Oh, come on, dude. Take that off. Okay. Just needed a moment, that's all. That's it, 3. Da-da-da-dum! And our survey said perfect. Okay. Ta-da! Look at that. So what else we can do now is we can maybe kind of, I wonder if we can move it up and move it to the right. There we go. Now can we fill, contain? Oh, that's it. Let's have a look. Nope. Is it not moving? Fill. No. Scale down. Oh, I just want it over here a bit. But so another way would be to have 2 columns. Let's just do that because we can. So let's do add a row here. Let's have 2 columns. Let's have that in there. And then this one in here. And then change that again. Oh, look at that. Now we're talking. And what we can do with this, just to tweak it a little, we can move it over to alignment maybe like that. That's better. Move it up. And this is something which is it will be a bit interesting if I can do it. So what we want, let's do funnel builder in bold. Tune. And let's have, there we go, bold color, previous colors. Style guide. Oh, I need to change that. Save the style guide different. Right, so, but bold, we want it full on. Yay! Is that better or what, everyone? Boom! I think I deserve a badge for that. So, let's just, can we delete that? We don't need that element. Does it just delete? Doesn't look like it's deleting, is it? So, we've got that. Let's just put that in and then delete it. Oh, maybe it's just staying there. Alright, that's fine. And this, let's give this row, or section actually. Oh, maybe row. Oh no. section. Okay. Let's give it a bit of space at the bottom. We need to add that text. That's fine. And this. Oh, we need the row. Oh, come here. Grab the little sucker. Right, bottom. It's better. Can move that over the top there. Now we can have bottom increase that. That's fine. Your brand goes here. And underneath, that's the one. Paragraph. So we have, let's just copy that. Paste that. Press my little font button. Oh, come on. Okay, interesting. Let's zoom out a bit. There we go. 16 pixels. Now Source Sans Pro. Okay, fine. Let's do. I've got Source Sans. I don't think I do, you know, but let's have a look. Source Sans Pro. Alright, Source Sans 3, you know. 16 pixels. Font size, pixels, come on. 16. Color. This one. Padding and margin left and right. That's a bit better. Whoops. Privacy policy terms. Let's just see. So, hyperlink them. That's not going anywhere, but it doesn't matter for now. HTTPS, your website, privacy policy page. And same with the terms. Let's just go out of that. Link that. There we go. Now, we need to change that color to that. Same with this. Change that color to that. And you see the underlining, so at least when they hover over it, it'll show the underline. Let's save that. Save it quick. Now, I just need to check this row is only for mobile. Oh, we could. Let's have a look and just see what it kind of looks like. So, where's that come from? Ah, okay. That's why. Right. Oh, you little pain. Didn't want that. Oh, did I? Interesting. Let's keep it centered. Right, so what have we got? We've got one column now. Okay. Now I'm going to undo that. Undo. 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 Yeah. So we'll go back onto mobile. Have a look at it. Looks fine on there. So what we'll do is for this section, let's just go get onto that section if it's gonna let me. A little bugger. Right, settings. So we'll just have that as mobile, and we'll also do the same with this mobile and this mobile and any others. Let's have a look. Just save that. It's struggling a bit. What's going on? Okay. Mobile only. Let's just have a quick look on here. So this section, desktop and desktop. Okay, so let's just see, unlink it. I wonder. Let's keep that to mobile. Mobile only. Let's just save. Go back onto here and just see if anything's messed up. But no, that seems alright. So this is desktop only. Now that, I'm just going to double check that because I just want it to be mobile only. Now we could do with a bit more space now. So let's just go into here. We are on mobile, that's fine. Okay, that's fine there. Just give that a bit of space. I think all in all that's going to look okay. It's just because of all the boxes. And all that is showing mobile only. So why have these come up? Let's just delete that. Delete that. Right, we've got mobile only. Save. Oops, didn't want to add a section. Nice and responsive though, isn't it? It's nice and quick. Click here to become a funnel builder. So, happy days. Let's have a look at last. I think we're done. Just have another look here. Yeah. Let's just put kind of side by side here. And click that button to remove. Reduce down. Preview. There we go. Right, so 50%. You can see here, I'm just scrolling up and down using the loop deck. We've got 50%, 50%. So, kind of, I like to make sure Few differences, yeah. I need the button to be a bit taller. Ah, step 2. Step 1, step 2. Failed there, failed there. Let's get that. Right, go back on here. I want to have, let's have them in bold. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah, we like that. Should I change the colour? We'll leave it. It's good with blue all round, isn't it? So button needed to be a bit taller. So we're on desktop there. Ah, 15. Yeah, that's better. So when I look at this, we've got copy, that's the end of it there, copy, that's the end of it there, that's cool. I'm happy with that. Image, oh, that's something we can do, isn't it? Right, we can just knock the image down a bit. Now, yeah, let's just measure it. Ruler. 258. $310. Ruler. Deactivate. Oh god, what we're at 258. Nice thing is you get to see it still there, don't you? So that's quite nice. Right. Save. Saving. Whoops. Go preview. Oh, now I've done that. Look at all that. Too much white space. But everything else is, yeah, not big enough. Right. Oh, wait on. It did say go to live page. Let's just go to live page just in case. Alright, no, it's still the same. So we want the button to be bigger. Yeah, let's knock this up. It's 18, but you know what? Let's just measure that button. $80. Measure it here. Oh, don't want to do that. Get off. Yeah, 52. But I'm saying that. So all we're going to do is turn that off, and increase the font. There we go. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? I'm a funnel builder. Yes, I'm a funnel builder. Funnel hacker. At last. What else shall we do with it? Hover. Shall we have a shadow? Oh, I wanted to change that hover colour, didn't I? Yeah, we don't want that. We want it saturated. But just a tad. I think that'll do. Yeah. Oh. Put a drop shadow. Why should you put a drop shadow? Oh, just in case anybody wants to know, icons. Those are icons, and you go down here, choose the icon, put it after, and it's double arrow. Yeah, double arrow there. Got it at 32. Let's have a look. So you can increase the icon, and it's going to increase the button size, but it's going to be out of proportion. So keep it same with the font. So 32, 32. Okay, so it's more balanced. Shadow. I need to change these shadows or create my own shadow. The shadow people. So there we go. So maybe less. Oh no, we like the blur, but we just need this knocking down. Maybe not there. Let's just get that kind of. Nah, I'm turning shadow off. I like it clean. What we can do though, instead, is on the hover, is change the color of the stroke. So, hover, border color. Now, we need to alter the border size. Oh, interesting. Where's the border size? Border. Oh, I don't think that's the border I'm looking for. Oh, it is. It is. There we go. So that is the button border. Let's knock that up to 1, 2, 3. Change it to a brighter orange actually. Oh, maybe. Yeah, something a bit brighter. Let's change it up to 4, 5. Yeah. And on the normal default state, and let's just have a look. Yeah, we'll just have it slightly different, and then press. That's nice. Let's just border color, darken it down a bit. There we go. Happy days. Alrighty, everybody. So it's on all. However, this is the interesting thing. What does it look like on mobile when you do that? Yeah. So the font and everything is way bigger. So font size, let's knock that down again. So icon size as well. So 18. There we go. And borders. The button can take. Oh, so border. I'm gonna leave it. It's alright, is that? Yeah, that's alright. Now, I think there's a way of copying that style and then just applying it to others, but I'm just going to leave that one. We're done. I'm going to save all that. I'm going to get sent off and get a badge. Yes! Funnel hackers! Anybody who's watched this far, well, I hope you've learned some other things which might just help you. Little tweaks and stuff. So, on the mobile, hey, look at that. I'm just seeing that. Whoops, get off. Right, so I want that. It's in bold. Didn't look bold. Okay. Medium Roberto, weight, medium. We'll stick with all that, I think. Download the checklist now. Become certified. Certified funnel hacker. Welcome to the ClickFunnels world. Right. Well, let's just have a quick glance there. Nope, that's all. Happy days. That's it. So I did want this. So we are on just desktop. So we should be cool. Now that download follows this line. And that line follows that. That's nice. That's centered. That's balanced. We're happy with that. Save it. Save it. Don't pass go. Don't collect £200 or dollars. Collect your dollars. Now, the font looks thinner there. So we have medium. Yeah, that's bold, that's fine. I think we need them, don't we? Squeeze! Yeah, we do. Yeah, because it's showing them there. Alright, a few little adjustments, amendments. I'm happy with that. Now what else we need? We need that thing in the background actually. Let's put that in the background. Image, image, image. Background. Come on, where are you, my little cool image? There you are. Okay. Oh, it's come on there, however. Maybe. Yeah, we'd need. So, what we can do is make that transparent. Oh, no background. Oh, okay. No, that's fine. Let's have another look at it. So it's disappeared when you do that. So I think ideally, with backgrounds, you actually have it designed. That's might be better. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's just that little bit extra, and I'd probably have something up here as well. Wonder if you can flip it. Well, you can flip it another way. Yeah, Yeah, let's oh, it's showing XL, size and position XL. Let's see what medium does. Oh no, don't think that works, does it? Yeah, that's alright, innit? It's funnel hacking. Let's make it our own. Right, let's get on to some proper funnels now. Learning curve going well. And that is it. Thank you for signing up. Thank you for watching. Have I missed anything, I wonder? So, 2 funnels, 2 steps, simple. Let's go here. Assignment number 2, opt-in page. Okay. Cool logos and images. Whoever's designed these are just, you know, boss. And so open, pop up, open, pop up, open, pop up. Have we got? We haven't got an. Let's have a look on that. Let's just see. Show pop up. Ta-da! Have we got that working? Submit form, email. That's cool. I want to tweak these. Right, we'll have that in bold. Or have squeeze in bold. Oh. Command Z. What's happened? Oh. Do you know, somehow I've got to take that off. It keeps listening and then you wonder what the hell's just gone on. So let's just see if we squeeze. That's it. I'm going to change the bold to that. Ta-da! Hey, it's brightening it up, innit? Make it your own, everybody. Funnel hackers. Free squeeze. Come on down. Happy days. Alright. That's really cool. I'm happy with that. Wonder, should I do instant? In blue, maybe? Conversation. Oh, that's cool. So that's the result, is it? Yeah, cool. Let's do bold. Oh, look at that, people. I have wanted to do that for so long. Be able to have 2 texts. And I wasn't sure if you had to just have 2 text blocks and you have one left aligned, one right aligned, or whatever, you know, centered aligned and so on. But that's how you do it. You have a normal color, you can still have that in bold, but you can also then put bold like that. I hope someone's seen that and is happy with that. But I think I'm gonna change it to that. Yeah. Oh, if I change that, oh no, I can't. Undo. I've just thought I've got to get my badge, and you can't go too far outside of the zone, and it didn't look kind of right, really, did it? Yeah, let's take this off there. Yeah, that's better. That's fine. Right, we're done. Let's submit that. Happy funnel hacking, people. Right. Oh, this is something you can do, though. Let's see about shadow. It does. That bit. so you can kind of see what I'm kind of tweaking. Try it again. That up again. Oh yeah. Very subtle. Let's knock that back down a bit. That'll do. Just leave that at that. Have a look on here. Submit form. We're done. We are done, people. We are done. I'm happy with that. What's happened to my button now? Oh, what's happened to my page? Oh, wait on. Reset. Go to live page. Gone up again. That should be lower. What is going on, everybody? Right, it's gone up. Dude, having me live. Right, this section. Oh, I think something's gone with the margins or paddings. Double check. Oh no, not again. So in mobile, why has it done that now? Yeah. Oh, you little piglet. Oh, you pig, you pig. Right, let's just see if we can go. desktop only. Oh, let's have a look here. Tell you what, let's keep that to desktop. Oh no, right. Right, that's better. Now, see what it shows on mobile. Yeah, I need to squeeze through all that again or redo that, damn it. Right, so free instant access, right, so wait on, clone it, and then settings, change that to mobile. Ta-da! Like that. Oh, you pain. Looks like your session was terminated. Log in again. Don't do that to me, Funnelacking. Oh, you pig. Oh. Well, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Let's log in again. Press my button on my loop deck. Log in. And what I did have... send a code again. Just do that. Moment of truth. Oh, two-factor. This is cool, everybody. Wait, where's my two-factor gone? Damn it. Got my authenticator somewhere. Can't remember where. How's that gone? Right, well. That's why. There we go. So when I need that, I press that button. Ta-da! Click that. Go there. Paste it. Logging in. Oh, you. What? ClickFunnels, what are you doing to me? Save your work, everybody. Oh man, save your creativity. Save my life. Right. So we need this lowering down again. Okay, we've got that. Looks like it's not desktop only, so we're gonna have to do that. Right, desktop only. That's fine. Let's bring the padding in a bit. Lead squeeze funnel. Let's just check while we can. Let's have a look. Number 2. No, it's not that one. This one. Right. Ruler. Is that 577? Close that. Whoa, 577 is like that size. Okay. Let's just look at where the writing is. Funnel checklist lead, 3 lines. Okay. Why does it do that? Oh, frick. Look at that. Oh, so annoying is that. Come on, dude. Just go back on here. Yeah, that's looking more balanced, isn't it? So this needs whoops. This one now. Oh, come on, dude. Why does that disappear? I remember doing something on this and noticing. How do you pick the other column? Right, that's a bit better. 1086. That's probably why. So that's the one. That's what we're looking for. Right. Oh my days. Right. So make sure that's on. Oh, let's have a look. Actually, it might be all right. We'll soon see. Yay! Yay! We're there. All right. Leave it. Don't screw it up anymore. Hiya! Right. Preview. Go to live. Oh, it's done it again on live. Why? So on a wider screen, it's doing that. It's all resizing, isn't it? Okay. Let's just have a look here. Mobile only. Oh. We don't need that to go that wide. Oh, it needs to go 361. Okay, no, maybe no for all. I'm not gonna here. Desktop only. $1086. Am I doing this right, everybody? You have to Aha! Da-da-da-da! Right, so that's on desktop only. Got that going okay. Oh, let's go to live page and just see moment of truth. Oh yes, there we go. All right, cool. Now let's just go back. Wrong one. No, we can get out of that one. Get out of that one. Right, this is the one we're on. Desktops. So look at the mobile. Have I got them? No. Damn it. Right. Okay, doke. That's fair enough. So, got that for mobile, that for mobile. Let's add the image. Now I suppose it would be best having small images and larger images, but let's just see. Yeah, we need that in the pixel. Mobile only. Lift it up there. Do the ruler. Let's just save it for a minute. Ruler 40. Oh, it's just down a little bit. Went the wrong way then. Right. That'll do. Oh yeah, let's just check how big that is. 256. Ruler. Oh, 232, not too far off. Right. Ruler, deactivate. Right, ruler. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That'll do. Right. So, next is this doofer. Right. Copy that. So, single row. Okay, font. Wrong one, that one, copied. So it does have a box around this. Okay. Add element, what we on? Divider, I think. Set that on. Yep, divider. There we go, copy that. Centralize it under the R, not far off. Get the reps in, that's what we're trying to think of earlier. Get the reps in and keep repping. Okay, do with this being a bit up. What have I got next? Is it paragraph? Yeah. Copy. Paste. Bold. Same there, that's fine. Font 16. All right. Get access now. Only on 2 lines. Button. Open pop-up. Oh, have I got the style of the button? Typical, innit? We'll have to check it. Yay! I'll do. Perfect. So this is a column. and I need, that's this one, settings, border, shadow, corners, and this is something I've struggled with a bit. Oh, come on, 15. Right. So it's like the left and the right margin, I think. Oh no. Oh, maybe it's this, the width. Right, maybe I just need to make sure this is all mobile only. Including this. And this. And this. And that. Alright, so all this is just mobile only. Now, do you put that in a section and then squish it? Or can you do it from here? Yeah, because if I do that, it doesn't. Yeah, that's one thing which just stuck. I'm stuck on. So it must be a section behind it. Oh, and is that where I've gone wrong? Put a section in first. Let's just see. Blank section. One column. I wonder. Right, and this row, let's clone this row, knock it down. Oh, you pigs. Don't do this to me now. Okay, so it has gone into a section. Let's keep trying to knock this down. Ah, so now we do have it. Okay. But yeah, has it screwed anything else up? No. All right. Kind of know what's going wrong. Hi. man, it's all screwed up now, damn it. But I have seen where that's gone wrong. So what I need to do, right, that's it. We need to add a section. Let's just try and get this here. Okay, so the way to do it at the moment is move that down and then add a section, long section, long column. Let's just do a paragraph. Okay. So there's a section. Right. Send that up. Okay, sending it to the top. Move this down. There, so we've got some space now for a section. If you do that, that's the very top. But if you give it some space there, in theory now we should be able to just put some rows in there. So in theory, do we just delete these? Oh, damn it. Reduce that down so I can see a bigger picture. That's better. That's better. Yeah. Why you keep terminating the fucking session? Don't fucking do this, dudes. Fucking pain. What the fucking hell are you doing? Fucking hell. Funnel clicking, ClickFunnels, what you doing to me? Alright, let's just close all these down. Okay, people, if anyone is still watching, getting kicked out, kept trying to save work. Note to self, let's see what's happened. Come on, ClickFunnels, funnel clicking. But hey, repetitions, even when stuff goes wrong, still repetition. Let's do our little doofer. Here we are, ClickFunnels, that'll do me. Copy that. Oh man, having my life. Copied. Oh, you pain. Why is it doing that? Right, two-factor authenticator, come on. Wait on. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Logging in. Let's see where it's at. Oh man, what happened? Redesign. See what's happened, where it's gone. Alright, that's alright though, by the look of it. Let's have a look, live page. That is all okay. Let's have a look what it looks like on mobile. Yay! Oh yay! Could do with lowering that actually a bit, give it some breathing space. Hey, not bad though, not bad. I'm happy with that bit. Let's do that now. So I need to have a save button, that's for sure. Fine. And that's fine. Save it, save it. Okay, preview it, let's enjoy it. Preview it in mobile. Press the button, sweet. Something missing there. Oh, step run, download, yeah, okay. Signing up. Download the chat list now. Download. That's cool. All right. Funnel builder. Okay. Right. So, thank you page is finished. Opt-in page needs fixing. Oh, okay, that's good. We've got all that bit. That's fine. Right. save it for the moment. Now let's have a look. Okay, so let's just delete these. And now we have got a row and a section. Let's go right. That's at the top. So I think we are done. Oh my days. Save. Oh, no, no. Okay. Wow. Okay, everybody, it's taken a long time. try to fix things. So you notice these green sections. If you want to have an overlay like this, where this goes over the top of that, you have to have one section, that's all the colour of it, and then this is within the second section, and then you push your margin up. Wow, that took some doing, did that. It all seems to be alright, and it all seems to have saved. Now I just need to check it now and see if it all works. Let's have a look. That's good. To the thank you page. Now to download it. Okay. I think I know why. Anyway, let's try and fix it now. I do like this little authenticator instead of having to look at your phone all the time. Oh my god, happy days. Oh, I've gone into the wrong one. Oh, actually, I've gone into the wrong one again. Let's try this. V10 Studios. Let's get this built as well. Add a media. Come on. Oh, select file. So the PDF lead magnet, there we go. Copy that file, URL. Pretty links. Paste it in there. Okay. Copy that. Go back in to funnel hacking. thank you page. Settings for download now. Change that to this. Actually, yeah, let's change that funnel builder to, oh yeah, the funnel building page, wasn't it? That's the one. So we can copy that and paste that. Yep, oh that's good. Save. Winner! You are a winner when you funnel hacking. Okay, let's see. So download. That's the thank you page. Okay, very good. Let's just go back on and see the process. This is our first real squeeze page after learning about them in 2006. What the chuffing chubbadoa. Right. Okay. Thank you for signing up. Download it now. Boom! Happy days, dudes. Oh, I don't know how good that is and how good it feels, but there's something missing. There's a button missing, damn it. Right, where's it gone? So, we need to be on this. Desktop only. Alright, desktop only, desktop only. Settings for that, opens pop-up, fine. Settings for that, opens pop-up, fine. Thank you page. Now on desktop. Yes, missing that button. I'm a funnel builder, okay. Just go back on the desktop. There's the link. Yes! That's what I need. That's what it is. Where the heck did that go missing? Okay, no, it's there. Okay, so am I only missing the button? I'm a funnel builder. Alright. I'm a funnel builder, that's what it is. Alright. Yes, we've done it. Let's see if that takes us to that page. Excellent. But I've just realized something. We have to tick that little box so people will stay on your website. Same with this one. That's fine. But these buttons, get access now, do not need that. Open pop-up, yeah, that's cool. Open pop-up. Open pop-up. Excellent. Submit order form. Done. We are done. Oh, that's what I need to check. Mobile. Yay. Open pop-up. Yes! Just in time for some crazy D&B. Oh, that is so cool. That is brilliant. So, we want to do a share funnel. Oh, it's not a share funnel, is it? Please wait, your funnel is being published. Right, let's see OBS. Have you been recording? OBS in the house. Been recording. You know, this is, oh, you solid system. However, I bet my battery's gone on the phone. Okay, everybody, we've done it. Yes, we've done it, and we're going to submit it now. Finally, 10 to 1 in the morning. Been on it all day, all night. I've got the first proper funnel done, working, and I've learned a lot. I only learn by getting the reps in. Work it, work it, work it. All right, catch you all later. Bye.